Hi, my name is Brenda Adams. I'm a Principal Engineer and the Metro Project Manager for this project. And this project is PAR 1312, the Lift Station Fixed Asset Replacement Project. This project is so important to Metro because we are replacing a over 50-year-old lift station, the Thornton North Washington Lift Station behind us, and we will be implementing more reliable equipment and structure and more efficient equipment, and we are designing it to have better ease of maintenance for our transmissions division. The most exciting part was when we first started, we had to dig down 50 feet in the ground and keep continually just dewatering the ground so we could keep it dry. And that's important because we are at the confluence of the Clear Creek and South Platte rivers, and we are also building in a floodway, and the structure is designed to withstand the 100-year flood pressures on the structure. The timeline is we'll be doing clean loop testing with water in February, and then in March we will tie into our interceptors and check everything out. And then once the new station is fully online and checked out, we will demolish the old lift station, and that should be completed by May with final completion in July.